There are over 200 issue types in SecurityScorecard's platform. These issue types cover various security risks, vulnerabilities, and indicators, all which affect an organization's security rating. Let's jump in and better understand the issue type called Potentially Vulnerable Application Installation Trail. In this video, we'll cover what this issue type is, why it's important, and recommendations on how to improve this specific issue. Potentially vulnerable applications, or PVAs, are legitimate tools used for business purposes, but they can also pose serious security risks. Many PVAs rely on expired domain names to connect to back-end infrastructure. If attackers register these expired domains, they can potentially interact with the application, gathering sensitive information or sending harmful commands. This opens the door for exploitation, allowing attackers to infect devices or hijack the data the application handles. PVAs can range from legitimate business tools to applications that can be used by malicious actors, like those for crypto mining or malware distribution. While these risks may linger over time, if there is evidence of PVA installations over the past 365 days, it's crucial to stay vigilant. To protect your devices, investigate the devices tied to the listed IP addresses. Look for any signs of PVA installations. Watch for any suspicious interactions with expired domains. Take action today to secure your devices from potential vulnerabilities and keep your network safe. And finally, once you've addressed these findings, simply log into SecurityScorecard, check the appropriate items, and select Report as Fixed for resolved issues, or choose other resolutions if the issue doesn't match your findings. Taking these steps strengthens your security posture and keeps your data safe.